I've accepted no compensation. This is an independent review of a Provia Storm Door. It's a pre-hung door. The entire unit, including the bottom expander, is installed onto the brick mold. These spacers remain in place until the last steps of fastening the door into place. I only needed to cut the Z-bars to size and then place the door into the opening. After installing the door onto the brick mold, I drilled 6 holes on each side of the door to install the standard handle set and deadbolt that comes with the door. Also included was a heavy-duty closer with a summer-winter position, a wind chain, and touch-up paint. This is not a standard size opening. The door was special order. It arrived as ordered, undamaged, with no defects or missing parts. My door gets a lot of sun, so I ordered a top aluminum screen and also have a top tempered glass panel. I am pleased with the quality of the door. I paid $567, including tax and delivery. I got a quote from Home Depot for an Anderson 3000 series door. It was $718 with a 10% military discount. If you're not familiar with Provia, their market is not focused on do-it-yourself. You are likely to find Provia dealers to be door and window companies selling this product. I was able to buy my door through a local supply house. Here are things that I think are pluses. Good quality for the price. A hands-down winner for better selection of styles, colors, and options than the 2 brands found at the 2 big box home centers in my area. A competitive lifetime warranty that is transferable to the second owner. Better odds of a good installation from a door and window company. The minuses: the sash clips are plastic. They may not hold up to sun exposure. There is no lip on the inside of the panels to lift them out of the door, making changing the glass and screens a little awkward. You'll have to buy repair parts through a dealer, which might be expensive. Once the screw covers are snapped into place, they can't be removed without destroying them. If you install the door yourself, you may not have warranty coverage. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.